Welcome to Jntu Technologies. In this present video, we are going to learn how to establish communication between an MQTT broker and Nodemcu. So here in this case, I am going to use this Nodemcu to get connected to my Wi-Fi router. So my router is there. To that router, I am connecting it through Wi-Fi, and then it is going to post the MQTT request on an MQTT broker, which is a Mosquito broker, Mosquito test.mosquito.org, and we'll see how we get the information posted on that MQTT broker, and how can we control this LED on that particular broker. So let's start. First of all, go to your manual. Here experiment number 4 MQTT with Mosquito server is mentioned here. So the hardware connection is basically we have two LEDs D4 D7, and as usual we keep the jumper caps on D7 to L1 side, as well as the D4 to L2 side. We may or may not use both LEDs, but if you want to use LEDs, you have to turn on the caps towards their respective sides. First of all, what you need to do is, in the folder provided to you, you need to install the MQTT Explorer setup.exe. Actually, this you can download it from internet also. MQTT Explorer, if you type in, you go to the web page, there you can download. We have already provided you the software. Just you double click on it and it will ask you to install. Just you proceed next, etc. No information is required there. It is a free software. After you successfully install, you will get MQTT Explorer here. Let me write it here. So MQTT Explorer desktop app has opened. Let me click it. So this is going to take me to the MQTT Explorer page, which is like this. Initially it comes up with eclipse.org. Actually you need to change the name to test.mosquito.org like this. As I have already used it, let me click on it. So it comes up as test.mosquito.org, and similarly test.mosquito.org. It comes up with a MQTT port of 1883. Remember, MQTT is another kind of internet transfer communication. I mean, you can send the data through internet, just like TCP. TCP is, HTTP. HTTP comes under TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Whereas MQTT is message queuing and telemetry transport protocol. It is somewhat different from HTTP, and it is a lightweight protocol, and it is serverless protocol. We call it as broker instead of server, and here everything will be publishing or subscribing. So it is lightweight. Mostly IoT devices use this. So in that communication system, you are going to establish a communication link between the Mosquito broker as well as our Nodemcu. So here, this is free connection. You don't have to register anything, and just you say connect. It will open up with the MQTT pages. So many people are posting different topics here, and here you have an option on the right hand side, publish a topic and then publish. Here you have to feed the value for that publish. This is one part. So keep this aside. In the program folder supplied by us, we have a program 3 named MQTT. Just click on it. You will find MQTT with Mosquito. Just click on it and open the sketch. It will open up the Arduino IDE. In this sketch, first of all, you need to install library. So first of all, go to sketch and type include library, and here you can type manage libraries. It will open up another window. In this library manager dialog box, here you have to type pub sub client, PUBSUBCLIENT. When you type pub sub client, it will take some time to update. Now it is updating. Just you scroll down until you find a library pub sub client by Nick O'Leary. You can see here pub sub client by Nick O'Leary. It's already installed in my system. As you are installing for first time, you just click on the install in your case. Once if you click on install, everything will be installed. It's a small size library, and then you can hit the close button. Now click on upload by making sure that you have connected to Nodemcu port, which is COM5 in my case. Just I am hitting the upload button. Actually in my code, I have used my SSID and my password, but actually when you are using a different router, Wi-Fi router, you need to install I mean, you need to type whatever is the SSID, whatever is the password, and please make sure that Nodemcu do not accept spaces in the SSIDs. Let us say your phone SSID, maybe your phone hotspot SSID is something like Anu dash something. If at all you are having two words, separate words with spaces, Nodemcu will not accept. So please make sure that you have SSIDs without any spaces, and also you have a password that is at least 8 character long. Without that, Nodemcu will not get connected to it. Now after that, you need to go down. You will find LED1 toggle here. So I have chosen my topic name as LED1 underscore toggle with all letters small. It's not necessarily that you should use the same keyword, but use any specific word, right? So this is my topic to which I am publishing either an on, small letter on, you can see here, small letter on or small letter off. If I give small letter on, the LED will be turned on, and if I give the small letter OFF, it will be turned off. And remember, network broker, that MQTT broker is usually busy, so sometimes there may be delay. You need to wait patiently in order to get the response from the server. Now it is uploading. It takes few more minutes. It's almost done. Now after that, you click on the serial monitor, that is the lens symbol on the top right corner, and also make sure that the baud rate is 1,15,200, 11520. After this, you just press the reset button on the Nodemcu. That is, you here press this button here. You will see connecting to Wi-Fi. Actually, it is trying to connect to my Wi-Fi network. So it is connected. Now attempting the MQTT connection, and it is saying that the connection is established. It's connected. Now open this MQTT Explorer. So when you open it, you will find several things happening here. Let me write the topic here as LED, of course small letters, LED1 underscore toggle. Let me check whether I have written this correctly or not. LED toggle. Yes, it's LED1 toggle only. So I am typing the same. So to that LED1 toggle topic, I will just write here small letters ON and just hit publish. You can see my LED is now glowing. And similarly, if I hit, let me show you in the same shot. If I type OFF, here you can see OFF, and publish it here, it gets off. So I am showing you once again. Now I am typing on, it is publishing, it's on. And then similarly, I am typing OFF, it is off. So publishing it once again here, and it is off. Thank you.